Ito guys, kasi sanay tayo na we point out when other people have red flags or are a walking red flag themselves. So how do you react if someone points out yung mga red flags ninyo? Simulan natin kay Danny. Mamaya ka na, kinabahan siya eh.
Humingang malalim siya eh.
Iba yung hingang na, wait lang, parang masisira ang reputasyon ko. Okay, Danny.
Ako kasi, when someone tells me na red flag ako, yun yung question, diba? Siguro, ina-assess ko na lang why they said that, like what I did, kung ba't nila nasabi yun.
Or you could react like, no, you're wrong.
Pwede naman. No, if they're wrong talaga, I'm like, no, that's just me. That's just you getting affected.
Yeah,
that's just me. But yeah, depende naman kasi siya. Because, yeah, I think.
Are they specific? Like for example, meron lang silang sinabing specific na red flag mo. Tapos, ikaw sa sarili
Or
mo
sample ng sinabihan na red flag mo.
Yeah, may nagsabi sa akin recently, I dated this one. Oh my God!
Labasan na! I love it, this episode is giving.
Tissue.
Sana hindi na ito pinapanood. Oh my God. Basta, he's a Moroccan guy. Magtatagalog na ako. Basta basically, Moroccan siya. Tapos, parang ang sabi niya sa akin, maganda ka sana, kaso yung ugali mo pangit. Sabi niya ganon.
But what if pangit ka?
No,
Buti ka sa akin, ugali lang sa'yo, ikaw.
My attitude isn't the problem here. I feel like we're just different. We have different traditions and cultures.
Yes.
Actually.
So technically, yung ginagawa ko is acceptable in the Filipino culture. Sa culture nila, hindi.
Actually, very subjective kasi yung label na red flag.
That's
like, what's
true.
a red flag for you might be tolerable for other people.
Exactly.
Like, which is very true with what Danny said, no? So parang, let's not make red flags and green flags like a black or white thing because it may be different for other people. So, Brian, dahil nakahinga kang malalim, so, ikaw naman, may nag-point out ba ng red flag na, I guess siguro, trait mo or something na you really believe is not? Or could be inaccept mo, ganon.
Sa akin, pag mga ganyan, I take it that's parang good criticism na rin sa akin eh. Para ma-assess ko rin siya. Para na rin sa development ko rin. Usually na naman yung
Sumasakta yung ulo ng mga nanonood sa akin. Parang hindi yan yung pinag-usapan namin.
Best example ko lang po is yung sa mga, kasi sobrang extrovert eh. Talagang marami yung mga group of friends. Then sabi nila, parang di ko alam kung tama bang red flag yun na too much friendly na daw talaga ako na nawawalan na ako ng oras sa kanila, sa ibang group. Then ganun.
Pero baka naman babae yung nagsabi nun sa'yo.
At nagsiselos na.
Aminin mo.
Possible din. Possible.
Iba matinik.
Matinik?
Iba
Iba
ka,
yun.
ganun.
Iba siya doon.
Pero with that, no, sa mga red flags na notice sa inyo ng someone, nung sinabi sa inyo na red flag yung ganong attitude sa inyo, binago nyo ba yun at some point? Or sinabi nyo lang sa kanila na, it's just part of my personality?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Ito ba?
Like, I can't change that part of me. You want me to like act like your culture? No, I won't. Like, I'm a Filipina. I'm gonna be a Filipina through and through.
I love that. I think it also says something about the values that you also have. So, parang when someone criticizes or says that this is a red flag, when you firmly believe that it's part of your core values, it's kind of offensive, diba?
Yes,
and yun yung part na parang, wait, hindi naman kailangan lahat ng sinasabing red flags about me. I have to like change. Sometimes, it's just really not a match.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Take note, guys.
Kaya importante na kilala mo talaga sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi mo kilala sarili mo, kahit anong makita mong red flag sa social media, babaguhin mo yun about yourself. In the end, who are you na? You're just someone like made by social media and people who said na you should
or like
act like this.
trying to mold yourself in the image of someone else.
Yes.
Diba?
Sobrang hirap
Yeah.
Yung parang sinasabi ng mga tao yung mga bagay na hindi naman ikaw, pero ikaw personally, dahil ngayon yung sinasabi sa'yo, parang nagiging ganun ka na.
Actually, totoo yun. Pag sinasabi nila na, ayoko nang gamitin yung term pero parang, ganito ka kasi. So parang mas na-embody mo na siya tuloy kasi parang it's so tiring to defend yourself. So just be like that.
Yes.
Diba?
Pero dapat aware ka, if mali ka talaga,
Yeah.
baguhin mo naman.
Totoo,
Kung mali ka
totoo.
talaga. If a lot of people are already saying that, assess mo rin yung sarili.
Yes,
Actually,
totoo din.
I
Agree
agree.
ako dun. Ikaw naman, Brian.
Sa akin naman, kung for everyone's sake naman na sila rin yung magbe-benefits, I mean, kaming lahat, pag nabago ko yun, talagang i-rectify ko rin naman yun. Pero kung talagang, parang field attack lang sa akin na hindi naman talaga ako yung ganun or hindi nila ma-accept kung sino ba talaga ako, na ganun talaga ako eh. So,
Pasok
Di ba,
dito,
sir-
labas dito.
Oo,
right?
ganun lang.
Right.
Di ba sinasabi sa'yo na you're too much friendly?
Oo.
Ay, yung mga nagsasabi na ba yun sa'yo is yung mga karelasyon mo or yung mga friend mo lang?
Nagkalabasan
Kasi
agad.
magkaiba yun eh.
Label agad eh.
Kasi magkaiba yun eh. Like for example, yung partner mo yung nagsasabi na parang
Masyado kang,
kang friendly sa ibang
makaibigan.
tao, lalo na
Oo.
sa other girls.
Yeah.
Or masyado kang mabarkal. I know of a few
Oo.
friends like that na parang they say na yung jowa nila, parang, he's too friendly, parang paminsan, it's like over the
Over
boundary
na,
na,
oo.
di ba? May mga
People
actions
pleaser.
kasi,
Totoo.
ng mga guys, di ba, na,
Change mo ba yun?
Hilig na siya ni
ano?
Danny, he was like, yeah, I definitely
Sige,
feel.
more pa.
Parang ngayon yung number one na problem ko ngayon sa partner ko kasi kakababa ko lang, di ba?
So, may partner siya.
Sa lahat
Mga
na
pumipila
nag-aabangan,
dyan. Pila-pila
wala na,
lang. Pila-pila lang.
So yun nga po, di parang ang dami nag-aabang sa aking set of friends. Tapos, so doon naglala naman ng oras sa kanya. Kaso yung paalam ko, kikitain ko si ganito, may basketball kami ganyan. So parang yung time ko siguro sa family, yung kino-concern niya na nawawala na ganyan. Nasosobra na ako.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dami talaga actually. Di ba from Rizal ako, may taga Manila, may taga Fairview, may taga Cavite, ganyan.
So, dinadayo mo pa yun?
Dami social battery.
Oo, ang dami yung social battery.
Di ako yung power bank.
Pahingi naman.
Siya yung power
Ako yung
bank.
power bank.
Siya yung power bank. Yun nga daw siya, self-proclaimed green flag ng Montalban, Rizal.
Green
Diba?
flag siya sa lahat, sa friends, sa relationship,
Oo.
sa family.
Totoo.
O sige, tuloy mo yan ha.
Grabe yung awal. Balitaan mo na lang kami.
Sorry, si Danny tumawa na lang eh.
Yung tawa niya. Ito, so, ayan, okay. So, ito naman, why do you think someone chooses to stay in a relationship with a person who is a red flag? Ay. Girls, listen up.
Ito na nga.
So, ito na nga. So, James, simulan mo.
Hindi ako.
Oh, sige. Okay, Danny.
I think, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, they chose their poison. And I feel like, parang, ang pangit, for a lack of a better term, siguro kinukomplete na sila ng person na yun. Kaya hindi na nila mapakawalan.
Right.
Kahit na red flag yung person.
Totoo.
Meron ako narinig sa isang, I guess it was a movie, can't really remember, again, goldfish memory, na the person that you actually choose is a reflection of you.
Yeah.
Diba? And it's also a reflection of the habits, the kinds of relationships you've had before, even with your parents, and you try to project them onto the person. That's why you get attracted to the same trend or same pattern of relationship. Tinamaan ka ba?
May umagay.
Tinamaan ata. So, yun, parang one way, it's really voluntarily your choice. It's also a choice, but sometimes it's also subconscious. Na hindi mo na-realize na, kaya ko pala siya gusto kasi ganito yung relationship ko sa iba, di ba?
And dyan pumapasok dyan pumapasok yung love eh. You know that you already love a person talaga if you're willing to accept them despite their flaws.
Ako naman, ay sige.
Ay, sorry. Okay lang.
Okay lang. Gina, Go lang.
Sige lang.
Yung mag-stay ka pa rin sa red flag, para sa akin, sasagutin ko siya na mag-stay pa rin sa red flag and naging toxic na yung relationship niyo. Because in general kasi, parang tawag ng karamihan dyan is marupok ka or love martyr, parang ganun. Pero para sa akin,
love martyr.
pero para sa akin, matawag ko silang mga genuine people lang talaga or sincere people na kahit batuin mo ng, kahit saktan mo, masira mo yung mental health niya. Pero for the sake of love,
Tumatawi yung mga
mo pa rin.
audience. Parang sinasabi na ikaw yun.
Kung nakita niyo si Danny, ganyan, gawin siya.
Sorry.
Pero ako naman yung take ko dyan, no, feeling ko, may mga taong nag-hold pa rin, even red flag na yung relationship is because of the memories and yung haba ng relationship. Like for example, nanghihinayang. Like yung word na sayang. Yung may mga may mga tao kasing pagod nang kumilala ng iba.
That's true.
So, with that, yung parang, sige, okay lang, one more pa, kaya ko pa to. Feeling ko magbabago pa siya. May mga...
You can change him.
Ayun na nga, even though na sobrang dami ng red flag and panloloko and all, dahil nga sa core memory na nabuo ninyo, mag-i-stay ka pa rin.
Yeah.
Yun yung parang black magic ng love kasi. Parang
Totoo.
kahit 2020 vision mo, kaya niyang bulagin.
Sobrang galing!
Galing nun.
Sobrang galing!
Agree. Redeem na siya, guys. Redeem na yun.
Give na siya nun.
Tsaka diba, ano sabi nila? You like because and you love despite. That's why I think people stay even if red flag na yung person.
Tsaka even sobrang lala na ng sobrang lala ng sinasabi nyo to each other, parang nagsisiraan na kayo and all.
Yeah.
Pero kapag magkasama pa rin kayo,
There's comfort, there's
Oo,
love.
totoo.
You
Nag-i-stay
feel like
pa
home.
din talaga. Tapos marami na nagsasabi
Visit.
ng mga friends mo na, alam mo na palang red flag na yung someone mo eh. Bakit nag-i-stay ka pa rin? Di ba?
Nasa may ulo ko. I remembered something.
Alam mo na pala na ginaganyan-ganyan ka, ba't nag-i-stay ka pa rin? But
Hindi ako Clarify ko lang, hindi ako
Tapos
yun.
sasagot lang siya na, mahal ko pa eh.
Kaya,
Actually.
Yun. Kahit, ang point doon is, kahit gaano kabigat yung sabihin mo sa friend mo na naka-experience noon, as long as mahal niya pa talaga, lahat ng mga sinabi niyo sa
Babawas
kanyang
baka.
mga quotes ni Inuman, or mga gems of wisdom para lang hiwalayan niya yung someone na yun, pero mahal niya pa rin, hindi yan mag-work. Ang mangyayari dyan, hayaan nyo siya ng hayaan para
siya
mapagod.
Hayaan siya mauntog.
Kasi kapag napagod siya, tapos nawala na yung love, yung friend nyo na yun yung mismong lalapit sa inyo eh.
Right. Actually, kanina may nakita ko nag-flash dun sa sa audience namin kanina. Sabi niya, may mga tao talagang red flag enjoyers. Kasi, like for example, thrill seekers. Diba? Kasi,
Yes.
like, I want something new, want something kind of dangerous,
Totoo.
kind of risky. So, I will go for this guy because he looks fun.
Yeah, hilig ng Gen Z dyan.
Ayaw kasi ng boring eh.
Like, parang, actually, I've heard of like an interview before. Anonymous siya. Parang tinanong siya, so, what went wrong in your relationship? Were there any green flags or red flags in your relationship? And sabi niya, she was such a good partner. She loves me so much, devoted to me. I guess I just got bored. Boom! Like, exactly. People want fun. People want enjoyment. And hence, like, for red flag enjoyers, they get attracted to that. Kasi parang to them, shucks, this is something exciting.
It's
This is
giving
something
trauma.
new. Yeah.
It's giving childhood
kaso lang
trauma.
kasi
Mas giving childhood trauma.
Ay, sorry Kaso lang kasi once na
Huwag ka
masaktan...
nagsasorry. Okay lang. Defend mo yung sarili mo.
Sige,
Manilinig
maliwanag
lang
ka.
daw kasi
Kaso
siya.
lang kasi
Kaya
pagka
siya
the
nagsasorry.
moment na nasaktan na sila dun sa tinatawag nilang dangerous type ng man or woman na hanap nila, babalik naman sila dun sa boring naman na
Yeah.
Totoo. Look at them now.
Kaya ikaw
Miserable.
ay isang back burner. Saka naging grand bang.